Yo, welcome to NDOTV. Today we got a car video. We're taking a break from the sports and we're going to show you a little bit of how to put decals and stickers on your car. So
we got Trump 2020 sticker. That's my president. Should be yours too.
So the first step in putting any sticker on a car is you have to have a clean surface, or else the adhesive won't stick to the surface. We don't have Windex or anything wet, but microfiber will work if you're just doing it on the fly like we are. So you want it here. So basically you just get it nice and good, just wipe it down really good, and then Sam can stick the sticker on. Unboxing. So as he hands me the sticker, this is one of the decals where you have to stick on and peel off. So you just take your sticker. It's like any other sticker that you get at the doctor when you get a shot and they say, oh, do you want a sticker when you're a kid? And you're like, yes, I want a sticker. You just, right there.
Yep.
You kind of just set it on there, run your finger through the center so that it goes like that. And just press it on there. Try to, if you see air bubbles, just use your fingernail or a credit card or something to push them out. When you think you got it on there good enough, you just take this plastic edge, hold it against the sticker so you don't peel up the sticker, and just pull down from an angle, nice and slow. Then after you get this off, you can just do one more once over for air bubbles. Just push them out towards the edge. And I kind of screwed this one up, but
It's all right.
well, and
there you go. And that is how you put a decal on a car. Really simple, really easy. Now you know. So.
Thanks for watching, and check out Instagram, Twitter. Everything will be linked in the description, and see you next time.